Item package length 0.762 centimeters. Item package width 6.858 centimeters. Item package height 7.366 centimeters. Replacement magnetic charging cable. Pack of 2 white cables. USB cord. Strong magnetic connection. Personal massager. Great for massaging your neck. Can be used for muscle relaxation for a tired body. Can be used for intimate pleasure. Ultra-hygienic, easy to clean. Dual vibrating massager. Dual motors with independently vibrating tips. 10 different vibration settings. Fully waterproof. Ultra-hygienic, easy to clean. Vibrating wand. Powerful vibrations for total body pleasure. 10 different vibration settings. Full waterproof. Super soft with smooth broad head. Mini massager. Small and discreet with a versatile form. 10 different vibration settings. Fully waterproof. High quality body safe silicone. Ultra hygienic and easy to clean. Top reviews from the United States. Great price. The charger for my magic wand vanished, and this was a great price, and for 2 cables just in case one magically disappears like my last one.